Welcome to another video by techcoffeehouse.com. Thanks to LG, we got our hands on the LG G7 ThinQ for review. But before that, let's do some unboxing because why not? Opening up the box, you will see the LG G7 ThinQ. In case you're wondering what's so special about LG's latest flagship, LG has its important features labeled on the plastic wrap. It has a super bright display, AI cam, BoomBox Speaker, Google Assistant key, which we will review and write about in the coming week. Digging deeper, you will find a microfiber cloth to wipe the fingerprint stains away from the screen as well as the back of the phone. There's the ejector pin, a charging brick, and a USB Type-C cable. There's also a box of earbuds because the LG G7 ThinQ still has a headphone jack. The smartphone runs on Android Oreo 8.0 Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, has 6GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 512GB. It has a 6.1-inch QHD Plus full vision display with a screen ratio of 19.5 to 9. At the front is an 8MP camera with an aperture of f1.9. At the back is LG's standard 71° 16MP lens with an aperture of f1.6 and a wide-angle 107° 16MP lens with an aperture of f1.9. With wide apertures like these, shooting at night should not be an issue. We'll be taking a closer look at the features and functions that the LG G7 ThinQ has, so stay tuned to techcoffeehouse.com. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we hope you do, and we'll see you in the next one.